If you're a seasoned Clash Royale fan, then you need to master every building to truly dominate. Don't blink, here comes your ultimate crash course. Ready? Let's roll. First rule, placement is everything. Always drop your defensive buildings smack in the middle, 4 tiles from the river, 3 from your princess tower. This pulls enemy tanks right where you want them, into double tower trouble. And hey, never rush a building at the bridge. That's asking for a quick trip to Value Town, for your opponent. Watch those spells. Space out your buildings so one lightning doesn't wreck your whole defense. Use cheap buildings like cannon for fast cycle decks. Great for hog riders, but remember, it can't hit air. Tesla? Perfect for surprise zaps and air attacks. Inferno Tower? Melt those big boys, but Zap Reset is your kryptonite. Bomb Tower explodes ground swarms, but needs help with air. Spawners like Tombstone and Goblin Hut keep pressure on. Just don't let spell value pile up. Siege? Protect your Expo or Mortar at the bridge. They're your win condition. Elixir Collector means big plays, but watch for miners sneaking in. Nail these building basics and you'll be the architect of victory.